If you're looking for the best tire dressing in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top choices that keep your tires looking glossy, protected, and showroom ready. We considered shine, protection, ease of use, and durability. So no matter what look you're after, there's something here for you. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 1, Lane Super Blue Tire Dressing Spray. Starting off strong, we have Lane Super Blue Tire Dressing Spray. This one is all about that factory fresh glossy finish. With just one application, your tires get a wet look that instantly stands out. But it's more than just looks. Lane's formula also protects against fading and cracking, keeping your rubber in top shape. The easy spray bottle means no mess, no fuss. It dries clear, streak-free, and safe for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Professional detailers love it, and you'll see why the first time you use it. Number 2, Last Hurrah Tire Shine. Gel coating and dressing. If you want long-lasting protection plus eco-friendliness, Last Hurrah Tire Shine is an excellent pick. This water-based biodegradable formula creates a UV shielding layer that prevents drying, cracking, and fading. It's multi-surface, working not only on rubber but also on plastics and vinyl. More layers mean more gloss, so you can control the look. Whether you want a natural matte or a deep gloss shine, it's easy to apply, dries in just 15 minutes, and even comes with 2 premium microfiber towels for a clean, professional finish every time. Number 3, Exoforma Wet Tire Dressing Spray. Now, if you're chasing that extreme wet look, Exoforma Wet Tire Dressing Spray delivers like no other. It's a water-based, non-greasy formula that gives an ultra-high gloss finish. One of its biggest strengths, it dries fast and doesn't sling, meaning your paint job stays spotless. It also packs UV inhibitors for sun protection, keeping your tires looking new for longer. And the best part, it's quick and effortless to apply. Spray, spread, and in minutes, you'll have the shiniest tires on the block. Plus, Exoforma backs it with a 100% money-back wet look guarantee. Number 4, Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. Next, let's talk about versatility. Car Guys Tire Shine Spray lets you control the finish. Go with a subtle satin look or build up to a deep glossy shine. It's non-greasy, streak-free, and long-lasting, protecting against UV rays, fading, and browning. The included applicator pad makes it super easy to get an even coat without the mess. Car Guys takes pride in their USA-made formulas, ensuring quality, durability, and customer support you can trust. If you want reliable performance and control over your shine level, this one's a winner. Number 5, Adams SiO2 Infused Tire Shine. And finally, we've got Adams SiO2 Infused Tire Shine. Perfect for car enthusiasts who want both durability and depth of shine. Unlike cheap, greasy silicones, Adams adds just the right amount for a lustrous, dark finish that won't sling or run. Its SiO2 infused formula creates a protective layer that keeps your tires glossy for longer, even through washes. Best of all, it's ideal for large tread blocks and off-road tires, giving full coverage where sprays usually miss. And with their 110% satisfaction guarantee, you can try it with total confidence. And that wraps up our list of the best tire dressings for 2025. Whether you want an extreme wet shine, a natural satin look, or maximum UV protection, there's a product here for every car lover. All product links are in the description below, so check them out if you want to grab one today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.